Hi DIYers, Joey from Alarmgrid, and today we're going to talk about streaming audio from an Alarm.com camera to a Qolsys IQ panel. Now, before you begin, the Qolsys panels that do support this are the regular IQ2. It's just going to have to be on firmware version 2.2.1 or higher, or the IQ2 Panel Plus. Also, you will need this feature enabled in your Alarm.com plan, and you're going to have this activated on Alarm.com to use this feature. If you don't already have video streaming set up, you will likely need to reach out to your security provider so that they can enable this feature for you. And when you do that, you're going to want to let them know to turn on the audio streaming feature also. If you have a plan that doesn't support this already, there's a good chance that you may need to upgrade your plan to do this, so don't be surprised if they tell you that it's going to be a little more expensive than your current plan if you're not already using video streaming. Now, there's also only a certain number of cameras that can support this, so you will want to check out our website to see which cameras do actually support this feature, and especially if you're in the market for a new camera to use this specifically, you're going to want to make sure that it actually does this before you pick it up, because there's not a huge number of cameras that can perform this function yet. Now, today we have an IQ2 panel set up, and I also have a camera that does support this. It's the ADC 522IR. It does support panel streaming, obviously, and audio streaming to the panel. Now, it is recommended that the panel and the camera are on the same Wi-Fi network, and obviously before you do this, you're going to have the feature set up. So after you do have it set up, you're going to want to log into alarm.com, enable panel streaming, and take it from there. I'm going to log in on my end so that you can see how to actually do this. So as you can see, we're on the login page for alarm.com. I have my credentials entered, and I'm going to click login. From here, I'm going to click the button in the upper left, and then I'm going to click on video. And then from here, I'm going to click on settings. As there's only one camera associated with this, you can see that it is selected. It says video room test. I'm going to click stream video to security panel screen, second from the bottom option. And I'm going to click view at panel and click save. Now, when you do set up the streaming audio, you may see another prompt that's going to ask you to confirm this. I've already confirmed this from a previous login attempt, but just know that if you do see that, you're just going to want to hit accept, which will enable that feature. So now that we have this set up, I can head back to my panel and we can check out the audio streaming. So on our IQ2, to get to the camera section, I'm going to slide to the right. And as you can see, that is the camera that we have set up. I'm going to click the play button, which is going to establish the stream. And it is working in real time. With the audio enabled, you'll see down here, there's a slider. If I turn this up, it's going to play audio from the camera, as you can see, or hear rather. In the upper right corner, there's a little microphone button. If I click that and hold it down, what I speak to the Qolsys panel is going to come out of the camera itself. So this feature is great. If you have the panel in your house, for example, you could have it on the front door with this looking outside, and you can speak through it. You could have any camera around the house and talk to them. So if you're away from the home and your family's there, you can actually speak to them and have a conversation. There's tons of functions that you can use with this cool feature, and we definitely recommend checking it out if you are interested in it. So that's how to set up audio streaming to your Qolsys IQ2 panel. If you do have any questions about the IQ2 panel streaming, audio streaming, or alarms in general, security systems in general, feel free to give us a call at 888-818-7728. Head over to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, or send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe. If you want to be updated when we post future videos, hit the notification button below, and we'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.